So that's the home screen of BlackBerry 10, the ability to launch applications, and we've got our multitasking operating system, the ability to switch from one application to the other very seamlessly, as you can see here from the home screen. So on the home screen, you've got all the applications that are running in this multitasking environment. If you just swipe on the left, you've got the BlackBerry Hub, which is going to have all your communication tools, whether it's BBM, text messages, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, personal, professional emails. All that is totally accessible just with one gesture. So let's say I'm here in the browser. There is a notification coming. I've got an alert with notification. I can see here on the notification bar that there are 2 emails, one BBM and one Twitter waiting for me. Just slide here to the BlackBerry Hub. I know that it's just an email with an advertising. It's not the important email that I was expecting. I go back in the application. I did not quit the application. I did not quit the game that I was playing. Just one gesture, I can access the BlackBerry Hub very, very easily here. Let me show you very quickly the BlackBerry keyboard. On BlackBerry 10, our objective is here to have the best keyboard, not only on physical QWERTY smartphone, but also on touchscreen. So what we've done, it's a number of innovations like this one. When I press a letter here on the keyboard, my eyes are going to focus on the next letter that I'm going to type. And on the next letter, I will just have the prediction of the next word. And I just have to flick the word up, as you can see here. And with just one finger, I can easily type sentences, not only in English, because it works in multiple languages. So if I'm based in Belgium and handling French, English, and Dutch on a daily basis, I can easily, without going to the options, I'm just going to show you quickly here. I'm starting to type a sentence, and as you can see here, now the prediction works automatically in French, and it's just up to the user to set up which language he wants to use here. So very, very powerful keyboard on BlackBerry 10. I wanted also to show you how we are going to split the personal and professional life on the smartphone. So you just have to slide your finger on the screen here. You see 2 tabs, personal and work, and just press on the work tab. Here you are in the corporate perimeter, as we call it. So it's a perimeter, a partition of the memory which is totally managed by the enterprise, encrypted in AES 256-bit, and there is no ability for the user to move information from the personal to the corporate perimeter. So let's say, for example, here I'm going to launch the picture application in the corporate perimeter and go back in the personal perimeter, launch the picture application. You can see here 2 instances of the same application, one with the little briefcase, which is the enterprise perimeter. The day I leave the enterprise, this partition here is wiped by the IT manager. All my personal pictures, my personal music, magazines, they are left on my smartphone, and all the professional data is just wiped remotely. So we've got the basically no compromise in terms of security, because everything which is professional is stored in the partition of the memory, which is encrypted. But we also have no compromise in terms of the user experience, because here I'm in the personal perimeter. I've got all my social networks, my games, my multimedia files, and I can do whatever I want here in this personal perimeter. What else? Let me show you quickly the BlackBerry 10 browser, because we've done a significant amount of work in terms of the optimization of the browser. So I'm going just here to type. That's the html5test.com web page, which is just going to test my BlackBerry 10 browser, a number of test cases that are run in the background, And BlackBerry 10 shows a score of 484 out of 500 points. If I go to the other browsers on the market, just to show you how I compare with the rest of the industry here, you see that on BlackBerry 7 we were just at 288, so we were criticized about the performance of the browser on BlackBerry 7, and it's true that it was slightly below Android, iOS, or Windows. The reality with BlackBerry 10 is that we are now at the top. At 484, we are the #1 browser on the market, far above all the competitive platforms. And just one click, I can press the share button and very easily share to BBM, emails, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all that is just one click to share this information.